Hey everyone, it's Adventure Link here. How's it going? Well, when I was trying to use my stove the other day, it wouldn't heat up. No matter how high I would take the temperature up here, it wouldn't heat up. The broiler would work, but guess where the break is? It's right there. You'll probably see it better when I do an up close of this a little later. From the evidence in this video, today's thing is I'm going to show you guys how to replace this coil, the broiler coil, and even these coils on a Frigidaire, oven, stove, range, whatever you want to call this. The model number is FFEF3003NWA. Just so you know, your oven may be different, but on this one, that little sticker down there, you can barely see it from there, but if you open up your little drawer, there it is. There's your sticker, you'll find the model number and all that good stuff down there. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the electrical power to the stove, or you can always flip the breaker off to it. That's fine too. This one is for my range here. Your number will likely be different. Either way, as long as you have the power disconnected, you're good. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to get these two screws. There's one back here, one right there. They are both 1/4 inches. It's a 1/4 inch socket. Just so you know, you're going to want to use a combination of the longest extension you can with a deep well socket, and if you're going to loosen this up, you will need a ratchet 1/4 inch drive as well. Okay, so I decided to just go ahead and brace myself here. Yeah, bracing myself, that's the thing here. And just so you know, when you actually do get the coil freed, this will probably be a good opportunity to try to thoroughly clean it as much as you can. But yeah, as you can see, this is one part of the brake. And obviously this is the other part of the brake. And from here, you just pull out. Okay, it's my voiceover again. Just so you know, you have to pull out both ends of that coil, the left and the right end. Yeah, the cords actually come out with the coil on this oven, stove, range, whatever. Yeah, that's a thing. As you see, I did have some trouble on both the left and the right sides. I found the Achilles heel though. You hold the coil with one hand, hold the electrical connector with the other hand, and then tug, and it should free. I did manage to edit out some of my troubles, not all of it, but yeah, I did manage to get it. You will too. Now, of course, with the old connectors out, this is what it looks like. Of course, when it's all disconnected and all that. There it is right there. Now, the only difficult part is realigning these electrical connectors all the way back up there and then reinstall it from there. And just so you know, if you want a quick QA test to make sure you still got power, plug it back in, turn your breaker on or whatever, set your AC voltmeter to 240 or higher volts. You should get a voltage from there when that's hot. And if you don't, well, there's problems deep inside the oven that this video cannot fix for you. So with that being said, that's all there is to replace the Baker coil on this oven. And because of how difficult this was, I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough on the broiler section. There's more of these little bolts there. There's two there that hold these little things on. Two here. And hey, none over there. And of course, you get your same 1/4 inch bolts on this. Same thing with the Baker coil. You just unscrew that, pull all that out, get the wire out, disconnect your electrical connector, and then reverse of removal is your installation. Yay. And then of course, for all these upper coils here, majorly easy stuff. Out. And of course, you can always remove this for cleaning, which might have to replace that, but don't worry. Part numbers for all the coils and apparently little chrome dishes too will be in the video description. Yay. Then of course you just slide in, plug it in. Then of course align this like so it won't come out. Then of course you turn your breaker on and do a quick QA test to make sure everything's good. Once you get all red coils, that's it. You're all done. You just replace the Baker coil, the broiler coil, and or one or more of these little oven coils on your Frigidaire FFEF3003NWA oven, range, stove, whatever. I'm Adventure Link. Thanks for watching all the way through as much as possible. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to share it with your friends, family, home improvement enthusiasts, anyone else have this oven or similar, medical bill links are in the video description. And any amount helps out. As Games from the Grave would say, it helps keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Also appreciate your rating, commenting, sharing, subscribing, hit the bell button and all that good stuff. And we're going to sign off with a wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy, reminding you guys to be safe, have fun, and stay dirty. See y'all next time. Have a nice day.